This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Lakeview East, to a location that's close to Belmont Harbor, the 18-mile lakefront trail, and a strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway for a walk through one of the apartments at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive. I'm looking at the foyer of apartment 205, a studio that faces north. Updated bath would have been off to your right as you enter the apartment. Very appealing finishes, including a shower that has a frameless glass door. Continuing into the apartment, you have a walk-in closet with double hanging, then a wide wall of windows facing out to the north. Plank flooring extends throughout the apartment. The kitchen, it's L-shaped, very sleek look, contrasting espresso and white cabinetry, open glass shelving. There's a 4-burner electric range. Looking at one of several finished packages here. A breakfast bar, counter, and then plenty of space here to lay out a sleeping area and the alcove here if you wanted, and your living area. Looking out directly over Lincoln Park, Belmont Harbor. Very appealing apartment, terrific location. Building has a fitness center, parking on site, which is unusual for Lakeview East. Definitely want to have 3130 Lakeshore Drive on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.